Opened in 1999, the British Museum Great Court in London was designed by Foster and Partners. The courtyard was originally a garden when the round reading room was built. With 6 million visitors each year, the museum became very congested. The architects designed the Great Court with a glazed canopy spanning the irregular-shaped opening. Staircases circle the reading room to reach the second level. The Great Court provides improved access to the galleries with a cafe and bookshop. Stop in the cafe for a lunch on your visit.